Hey, my YouTube friend, welcome to my channel. This video is all about Nigerian meat pie, which I made before, and then I decided to make it short so that it will be easy for some people to watch. And then for those that need more information, I suggest that you watch the one that's up to 8 minutes. I did a well detailed step-by-step video, so I think it will help to solve the problem. I will leave the link on the description box or on the comment section. Okay, so enjoy yourself until we meet again. But before that, if what we do you like, please hit the like button. That will help us a lot. And also, if there's any kind of pastries or kind of recipe food, Nigerian food, healthy food, well, what is it called again, smoothies, drinks and all that, that you want me to make for you, let me know on the comment section. Until we meet again, have a great day. Bye.